Hey, and welcome to your Minute with Marla. I'm Marla Reagan with Organized Time. Can you guess what we're going to be talking about today? If your guess was lists, yes, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. And yes, lists are my love language. You know, one of the most popular lists around is Santa's list. You know he checks it twice. Are you on the naughty list or are you on the nice list? It doesn't matter which list you're on, you've got time to change your mind a couple of times. And we know that that time of year will roll around quickly. So let's go from having a to-do list to a I'm done with that list. You know, I love to scratch things off my list. If I happen to do something that is not on my to-do list, I'm going to write it down and scratch it off. And I tell myself it is to document that I do that thing. Hey, we do what we can. The one thing that keeps things on a list is not scheduling time to do that list. You know, there are things that you need to do for business, for home, for other people, and we write those things down and then look at that list. Have you done those things? Are you able to scratch them off? The one reason that people are not scratching things off their list is because they're not scheduling the things that need to be done. So it's very important to look at the list and then look at your schedule and see when you are able to do those things. Once they're scheduled and they're done, then ta-da! You get to scratch them off your list. If the things are staying on your list and they're not being scratched off, then it's time to really take a good look at that thing. So you either do it, you delegate it, or delete it. I'm here for you if you have any questions or need a nudge to help you with your to-do list. Please reach out to me. My information is below. And hey, while you're there, would you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and happy organizing.